Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe it now and make sure to enable the bell notification icon as well as share my channel to your friends if you like it. Hi everyone, in this video I am going to talk about logical data types, which is part of the Snowflake data types. I already made another video about introductions to Snowflake data types. Please watch that video if you not watch before watching this video. Logical data types. We have a data type called Boolean. Boolean. Okay, Boolean conversions to Boolean, conversion from Boolean. Examples. Also, we are going to see the example through demo. Boolean. So Boolean can have the true or false values. Boolean can also have an unknown values which is represented by null. That means Boolean can store true, false. If unknown, then it will be a null. Boolean columns can be used in the expressions. That means as part of the select statement, as well as predicates. That means as part of your where class from your query. Conversion to Boolean. So explicit conversion. So Boolean values can be explicitly converted from text string and numeric values to be Boolean values by using the to underscore Boolean or cast function. So we can convert the any values explicitly to Boolean or cast functions. How we will do string conversion? Strings converted to true. Okay, the strings TRU, TSY on 1. So when you convert these values, these string values to Boolean, the value is the true. Strings convert to false. FLAS F no n of 0. When you convert these string values into the boolean, okay, the value will be the false. Conversion is case insensitive. That means you can make use the any case, like capital F, capital NO, NOFF, like that. All other text strings cannot be converted to boolean values. So other than whatever that strings here I specified, other than that we cannot convert. All other text strings cannot be converted to no boolean numeric conversions. 0 is converted to false. Say example, when you try to convert 0 to boolean type, then the value will be false. The boolean type will be false. Any non-zero value, non-zero any non-zero value is converted to true. That means when you try to convert any number into the boolean data type, the after converting we will see the true value only. Okay, conversion to boolean. So implicit conversion, just now we have talked about the explicitly. Now boolean implicit conversion. Boolean values can be implicitly converted from text string values to boolean values. String conversion. True is converted true. The string true converted to true data type, boolean data type. False is converted to the false value is the false is converted to false data type. The string values are not case sensitive. As I told you that the string values are not case sensitive. You can use the capital also, capital letters. All other text strings can't be converted to boolean values. Now we are talking about the numeric conversion. So numeric conversion is the same. 0 is converted to false, and any non-zero values is converted to true only. Now conversion from boolean. Okay, so far we have seen the conversion to boolean. Now how we are going to convert from the boolean. So for this also we have two cases: explicit conversion and implicit conversion. Okay, as part of the explicit conversion, boolean values can cast explicitly to string or numeric values. So that means we can convert boolean value into string or numeric values based on the values type. So string conversion. So true. Now if you have a boolean values always, I mean, true is there, then we can convert into string as the true. False is converted to false. The string values are not case sensitive. Here also string values are not case sensitive. All other text strings cannot be converted to boolean values. Numeric conversion. True is converted to 1. When you are trying to convert the true value into the number, then it will be a 1. So false is converted to 0. False is converted to 0. Implicit conversion. So string conversion, true is converted to true, false is converted to false. That's all. Now we will see the demo how it is looks like. You see here I am going to use the database and schema main and use role as the admin role. You can use any role if you have a required privileges, no matter. Then see I'm going to create here test underscore boolean type table, which is having the data types b as the boolean, n as the number, s as the string. As I said that boolean, we can convert string and number into the boolean, and also we can convert boolean into string and number. That's why I'm using these three data types as part of this demo. So I, yeah, created table created. See, table test underscore boolean type successfully created. Now I'm going to insert the data as the three rows. Okay, here values, I'll show you that. True 1s, false 0 no, and null null null. So three rows I have inserted, whereas here all are the uppercase. Now sorry, lowercase. Now I am going to insert the uppercase also. As I said that in case insensitive. That's why I am going to insert the another row with uppercase only. There is no difference. I mean mixed also. Some cases I use the upper and lower cases. If you see here, YES, S is the smaller case, and YE are the upper cases. Now let me show you the data how it. See, total we have here inserted 6 rows. So now if you see, true is the, yeah, I mean true value, boolean type is the true, false, null. If it is unknown value or null, it could be a null. So three distinct data types: true, false, null for the boolean data type. And now here I have inserted the number and S is the string and N is the number. We will see how that, okay, when you convert from from number to or string to boolean, boolean to number or string, we will see now by executing the queries. See here the first one, what I am going to do, boolean typed expression. So here select the boolean n, and as I told you, we can use the booleans as part of your expression. So query, select query. That's why here if not b, that means if b value is not, okay, not b, actually default is the true, not b means it is false, and n less than 1 from test underscore boolean type. Then we will see here output 6 rows. See, tree not b and n less than 0. So all values came. Okay. Now boolean column in predicates. So we can make use the predicate here over here. See predicate here, predicate, because condition has been satisfied. See 0 0 n less than, and the other condition is the other condition, where not b means, I mean, false value, whatever that false b value, so we can take those values. So no and 0 and 0, n less than 0, that means here giving the only two values. So as part of, I mean, we can use the Boolean type as part of where condition predicate. Okay. Now text cast to Boolean. Now from string to Boolean, how we are going to convert? Select S two underscore Boolean of S from test Boolean type table. Now we'll see how will data looks. See, S is converted to, as I said, that S is converted to true, no is converted to false, and null is null, and YES, I mean, it is a case insensitive. So this YES also converted to true, and NO, no, N is capital I used here, false, and null only. Okay, this is the how text cast to Boolean. Now number cast to Boolean, we'll see here earlier, only I mentioned the S value. That means string value. Now I am going to use the show you the numeric values. Okay. See, as I said that one always true. One is always true. Zero is false and null, and I have used the true also because other than zero, all other values will be true. That's why I've used here 2 number 2 become a true value and 0 false. Okay, this is the another one. Now Boolean implicitly converted to a text. If you see here, implicitly converted text means I didn't use any any conversion for the Boolean data type. Here if you see, just I'm using as part of the my select statement, okay, which is concatenating with the other text. Now let me execute the this. You see, text for true, text for no is false. Here text for s is the string value as well, and true is the Boolean. However, it converted into implicitly as a text, and null is null, and this one also another set of rows. Case insensitive. Text for yes is true. Text for n. Here I am going to show you the now cast using cast function, how you will convert into the Boolean. So you see here, this is the query where cast with the string function s cast s as the Boolean from the table. So we can use the cast also, and for the number also I am going to do the cast function converting to Boolean data type here. So this is the output. And as I told you that we cannot convert any other strings like s or no. Okay, if you see here I am casting the any other string or text as Boolean. Now we'll see what is the output over here. See, we got the error. Boolean value any other string or text is not recognized. That means we cannot convert any other strings like other than yes, no, of, on, like that. So let me try to convert the two by using the two Boolean instead of cast. Now I am going to show you the two Boolean with the same any other string or text. Same here also we got the same error. That means we cannot convert the text value other than yes, no, of, true, false. We cannot convert into the Boolean data type. That's all from this video. Thank you for watching my video. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, and don't forget to click on bell icon for the notifications. Please share it and like it. Thank you once again for watching my video.